Hi, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're oldie but still goodie, welcome back. It's your girl, Keona Michelle, and I'm checking in. I'm coming to you with a Dollar Tree haul. Your girl went to Dollar Tree. I was just supposed to go so the kids can get some candy, but you know I had to go in there and look around because I haven't been to a Dollar Tree in a while. Kind of since they made it $1.25 because the 25 cents is not appealing to me for an additional 25 cents on everything else. Like, it's like tax and then extra tax. So, and I got the air off now because, y'all, it be so loud and ratchet. So if y'all see me sweating, mind y'all business because it's a fat girl type of summer. So that's what this is about. So let's just get into the video. I was going to record in there, but when I have like more than 2 kids, baby, I need to focus because kids be every which way and I want them to be right where I'm at. So let's just get into it. I didn't really look for nothing like super special or new. I just was getting things that I needed. So I got right here some foam trays. And then the kids picked out some vanilla snack packs right here. They got 2 of those. Here's another one. And then one of my other sons, he picked out the strawberry jello. I got some of this because I like to mix it with my Dawn, but Dawn is like, I have to have Dawn when I'm washing dishes, Dawn and bleach. But I like suds. So when I don't see suds no more, I'm like, I need some more soap. I probably don't need no more soap, but your girl extra. And I got this. This is Ajax. And I got it in the vinegar and lime. I've never had the vinegar in there, so... Oh, it doesn't smell different. So I guess I probably have, but I didn't notice it. But yeah. I got this brown and serve. It's French toast breakfast. I also got some AAA batteries. I got one of these lemon scented like reuse-its. And I got one of these fettuccine alfredo with chicken and broccoli little dinners. I think these are so throwback, so I had to get some of these little chickens. I don't know, but the little gum, it's so throwback to me. I got a few laundry items because I'm just like, I wanted to try them. So I got these booster little fragrance in the wash fresh scent, and I also got a spring. I got those. I got another pack of AAA batteries because we use batteries so much. And I don't want to pay like the regular price for the real batteries. So I just get those. We're in another bag now. And somebody picked out a chicken lo mein meal. I got another one of the little freshener things for the wash. All the kids picked out candy, but you know they gone. But this is for my Tink Tink. He picked out the little candy dum-dums, little suckers. I got one of these disinfect sprays, but this is the country scent. I also got another reuse it in the lime scent. I got 2 packs of AA batteries because again, we go through batteries like crazy. So I got 2 packs. We're going to another bag. I was so surprised to see this, and we don't eat white bread, but it was only $1. And the date on here is June the 22nd. So we have like a week to eat this, so I picked this out. And then I got some buns, which are smashed, but we gonna do what we can do about it. These little buns right here. And that's all from that bag. Another reuse it, but I got it in the linen scent. Okay, we got another bag. Somebody picked out like an original little cheese pizza, the kind that we used to have in high school, a nasty little pieces. Then my oldest son picked out a Salisbury steak meal. I picked out a pack of hot dogs. I don't like these. I like the beef kind, but the kids eat any kind, so. I picked these out for me. And then everybody picked out these little sweet and salty mix. Okay, I think that's all the bags. So that's everything we pretty much got. I found another one of these. But that's pretty much all that we have from the Dollar Tree. Really nothing new. I just was surprised about the bread and the buns being there. But some of the little dinners were different too, but we didn't want those. But that's everything I got. Hope y'all been enjoying y'all day. Some of my videos, just to tell y'all, might be out of order because yesterday I was so tired. I fell asleep. And I took my jewelry off and I put it, I don't know why, inside of my laptop. I don't know why I did that, but I put the jewelry inside of my laptop. And I guess the laptop fell behind a pillow. I was sleeping. I guess it smashed and it broke my laptop. Basically, I broke my laptop. It's nobody's fault but myself. So I have to get it fixed because I have the Apple Forever little warranty on there. When I purchased it, it was like $200, $300 something. But when I purchased my laptop, I bought that. So I just have to see how much it's going to cost to get my laptop fixed. But I'm probably not going to do that for a while because I'm really trying to focus on getting stuff for the baby and other stuff. So some of my videos are probably not going to be in order because my next video was going to be me showing you all me braiding my hair. And I usually just take all the videos off my phone and put them on my laptop. Well, my laptop is not working, so I got to see how I can get into the iCloud or whatever the case. But yeah, so some of the videos might not be in order, so I'm so sorry. I'm not doing it on purpose, but I have no access to my laptop, so I need to call Apple and see how much it's going to be to fix it with the insurance. But that's all I have. I hope y'all enjoyed my Dollar Tree haul, and I'm going to see y'all in the next video because that's not going to stop me from recording. Your girl is still going to be recording videos because we just have a goal to reach. But this is Keona Michelle. Your girl is checking out. Don't forget to visit my Instagram at Musics44 and my business Instagram at Press Nails and Beauty. And don't forget to follow all my other social medias that be down in the description box. But until next time, all my KeyBees and KeyDogs. Peace.